Kwehera gwa kiama kia maendeleo chap kiria gitongoragio ni Ngabana Alfred Mutua na kiapa kiria gitongoragio ni Ngabana wa Kilifi Amason Kingi kwararamitie miatoka ngwataniro-ini ya Azimio la Umoja wa Kenya Alliance mieri itatu mbere ya githurano kinene.
We as Maendeleo Chap Party have been shocked by plans of zoning that will effectively mean that we cannot contest seats and also benefit from funding as per the Political Parties Act.
Kuringana na Mutua, dariri ciothe ngwataniro-ini ino ironania andu matari na wendi wa kurutithania wira na amwe ya aria mombite ngwataniro ino, na nikio ona mibango-ini ya bata ya ngwataniro ino kuringana na Mutua yaragiririo ni andu amwe tu.
As a party, we have also been excluded from Azimio lineups, campaign programs and funding. As a party, we have also not been shown or even allowed to discuss what our roles will be after the elections.
Some of them had even made the claim that they wanted more seats or a seat in the council. And you know, I can tell you, for example, that Sharishingilu was ready to step down for them. And then they moved the goalposts.
Ota ciama ingi iria Mutua ugite cikurumirira makinya make na ma Amason Kingi makoretwo na nganja na mworoto wa amwe ya amemba ngwataniro ino kumana na hitho cia maundu magiriire gukorwo utheri-ini kuri aria othe mekaniriire ngirimiti na ngwataniro-ini ino.
Because kama hii document ilikuwa sawa, kama hii document iko vile tulisign, mbona wanatuficha? Mbona kwa mwezi mmoja 4 weeks wamekataa nayo? Tumeandika mabarua, tumeenda party zote wamekataa nayo. Kwa nini? Kwa nini ufiche document yetu na tumesign and we are willing friends? Si ndio? That means kuna kakitu hapo wamebadilisha.
Some of the people who are complaining about that document, we know that they were negotiating with the other side and they needed this document for purposes of benchmarking for their negotiation. So since we knew that was going on, there was no need for us to continue to engage with them.
Mutua augiria ngwataniro ino iria itongoragio ni Raila Odinga uhoro na gukira mwena wa Kenya Kwanza kuria ugite ona gutuika mana korona utiganu na munini wa President William Ruto kioneki giake nikio bururi urabatara.
Sasa mko sawa, niko na yeye hapa, mimi nitakuwa namweka hapa, tuko mundu, hakuna kitu mbaya atafanya. Nitakuwa na yeye hapa kabisa tukichungana. So you can be well assured now that the William Ruto you knew with Alfred Mutua mbele iko sawa. Na
ona gutuika wiguithanio wa uria kiama kiagirirwo ni kwiyeheria ngwataniro-ini ya Azimio One Kenya nduri utheri-ini, kiama giapa kiugite ni kiandikire mwandikithia wa ciama cia uteti gikienda ona kio gitikirio kwiyeheria.
What is very important is that during exit, when you want to exit, then you should follow what you put in writing and you signed to. This is the manner in which I will exit.
Hata ukienda koti gani, hii ingine yote ni stories. You cannot force people according to a new constitution to be in association they do not want. A lot of flaws. Even them denying us our document is ground enough not to be in that relationship.
Thama ya uteti egithiaga na mbere mieri itatu mbere ya githurano, atongoria maugite meguthie na mbere na guthamira kuria metikitie njata ya uteti-ini ni gathie na mbere na gucangarara ona thutha wa githurano kia mweri wa kanana. Ngiribotera Inooro TV de county-ini ya Nairobi, njatagwo Gathoni Wanjihia.